All right, so today we're going to go over a little intro on trig ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent. On our formative assessment, we were given this triangle right here with these dimensions, and we were given some of the following questions. So we're going to go over them here. I believe we were asked to find the sine of A. Well, remember our SOHCAHTOA. That's going to be our key here for this whole problem. So sine is right here in the SO, and the O stands for opposite, and the H stands for hypotenuse. So sine of A equals opposite over hypotenuse, which in this case, if we look at A, our opposite side is 5. It's all the way across. And our hypotenuse is always across from our 90-degree angle, so it is 13. All right, so there's the sine of A. Now let's find the sine of B. The sine of B. Sine of B, again, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So we're going to do opposite of B, which is 12. Opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite side is 12, and our hypotenuse again is still 13. Okay, and let's see here. Now let's do cosine. So we had to find the cosine, and again, these might be in a different order than you saw on your assessment, but you had all of these ones on there. Okay, the cosine of A. Well, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So I'm going to write that here, adjacent over hypotenuse. If we look at A, our adjacent side is 12 right there. And our hypotenuse, again, it's always across from our 90 degrees, so the same as here and here. It is going to be 13. Okay, now let's find the cosine of B. Again, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. If we look at B, our adjacent side is right here. It's that 5. And our hypotenuse, like before, is 13. All right, not too bad. Okay, now for tangent. So we got to find the tangent of A. So tangent right here in our TOA is opposite over adjacent. So let's write that here, opposite, whoops, sorry about that, here we go, opposite over adjacent. Our opposite, so if we look at A, our opposite side is 5. That's our opposite side. And our adjacent side, is the one that's right next to it, it's right here, is that 12. So we've got opposite and adjacent. So our opposite side was 5. And our adjacent side was 12. Okay, our last one, the tangent of B. Well, again, we know that tangent is opposite over adjacent. So we're going to have our opposite over our adjacent. Okay, let me erase our picture here real quick. There we go. Okay, so our opposite. So if we're looking at B right here, our opposite side is all the way across the triangle. It's going to be that 12, so it's the opposite. And our adjacent side's right next to our B. It's going to be right here, this 5. So that is our adjacent. So our opposite was 12, and our adjacent was 5. All right, hopefully this helps. Have a fantastic day.